Hey there guys, how's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the home store moisture eliminator. Yeah. Okay, now what this is a moisture collector. It collects any kind of moisture like humidity and stuff in the air all around and traps it inside this container. Yeah, well, in my area and certain time of year, it gets very, very humid. It could cause, if you're not careful in some places in your home, when things get very humid, you could get like a lot of water damage in your wood and stuff inside your house. You could also get moisture that's trapped inside areas like closets and stuff that will, it'll cause like odor and stuff, and more than odor, water damage, and it's just it could really be very costly. And so you have to think about those things when you own a home, or even in apartments sometimes. It's very, very necessary to keep things dry as far as, preventing damage and mildew and even mold from growing on things. Okay, well, how this works is there are these little beads inside here. You see them? There's little beads in there. And they collect the water, the moisture. When you first get this lid is on here. This is on here, but underneath there is a aluminum seal. You rip that seal off, and then you replace this black part right here, and you keep this membrane, this white membrane, on there, and you place this underneath your sink, or in the bathroom, in the closet, in your garage, kitchen, anywhere where you think moisture is going to gather and cause a problem. Preferably, I put this under my sinks, in the bathroom and in the kitchen, and in my closets. I also keep one in the attic that I have, where I have a lot of things stored. Any place preferably that you want to keep dry, so you don't get mold and all those bad things in your wood, especially wood damage. Oh, that can be so costly. Yeah. So what happens is you keep it in there, and these little white balls that are in there will slowly over time start to dissolve into just dissolve and fall through. It was just completely like a jelly, and then it'll fall through, and what's going to remain is the liquid. Okay, and when the liquid that it traps gets all the way up to this midpoint here, you will take off this lid and break this little membrane thing here, and then pour the water out. Okay, all the moisture, you just get rid of it, and that's how it works. It absolutely does work. I've used these several times. It absorbs twice its weight in liquid. It's up to 280 grams of liquid that it could hold, twice that. So this is really good. You won't even know it's there. It's kind of big, but it's not like you're going to have it out anywhere. It's usually for storing it in your, cabinets and stuff, or bathroom closets, yeah. And it's very safe. It's safe to, have it around. It's a very good item to use in your laundry room because that holds a lot, steam and stuff comes from your washing machine and stuff, from water heater and places like that, and you really want to avoid water damage and and mold, that small amounts of liquid in that form could cause all kind of problems in your home. So this product is very good for eliminating that, and it works fairly quickly and for very long. You have to, as it gets full, you throw it away and then you get another one. And it's very economical. Yes, works good. I like this a lot. Okay, well, that is the Home Store Moisture Eliminator. Yeah, it's made of charcoal and carbon. Yeah, yeah, it's a great item, and I really recommend it. Okay, guys, that's it. I will talk to you soon. Hopefully, you use this information. Take care. Bye bye.